Hi. In this video, we will see in simpliRP how quickly we can invert the subcontract material and also enter the service charges invoice. This can be done within few seconds. Earlier we have created a delivery challan for subcontract, which was sent for cutting operation. We can also see in the report the expected invert item, expected charges, expected quantity. This will help you in planning the finances. We now assume the material has come back. Now, we will enter the invert item. Go to Material Inverts, create new GRN, RDC based. You can see the DC appearing. Click that. Enter the supplier DC number and date. System helps you with the incoming item code. Select it. Enter the quantity. That's it. A GRN is created within few seconds. Now, we will enter the service invoice. Click the button, do you want to raise purchase invoice? Enter the supplier invoice number and date. Enter the service item code. Please note, the service item code should be already created in item master. Enter the unit price, quantity and remarks if any. That's it. A purchase invoice will be created automatically. Now, when we go to the report, we can see the invert item and quantity are shown. Click the quantity. You can see both the goods receipt notes. One GRN is showing the service invoice and another GRN is showing the invert material. You can also click and see the print preview of goods receipt note. simpliRP is the easiest way to manage your subcontract. Please feel free to contact us to know about more features. Thank you.